The sector in the figure has a central angle with a radian measure of pi over 3 radians. The arc length of the arc AB is 6 pi. What is the radius of a sector? So this is how I like to view this. You may have learned in, geometry, a little formula for arc length and stuff like that, but I kind of like to view this as the whole thing being the circumference. Circumference of a circle is pi, or 2 pi r. I almost said pi r squared. That's the area. Silly me. Now, the arc length is if I were to take just a chunk of my circumference. Now, how do I figure out what that chunk is? I'll call this AL for arc length. You're going to take 1/2 of your chunk to find out what the arc length is. So I'm going to say theta over 2 pi times 2 pi r. Now, what this does here is the 2 pi and the 2 pi cancel out. So the arc length is just going to be whatever my theta is times whatever my r is. Okay, I don't know what my r is. That's what I'm trying to find. But I do know that my arc length is 6 pi. I know that my theta is pi over 3, and my job is to find r. Multiply both sides by 3 over pi, like so. Multiply both sides by 3 over pi, like so. The pi's cancel out, and 3 times 6 is going to be 18, so my radius is going to be 18 units long. Strange problem. I've seen worse, though.